Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit moody vintage using Lightroom mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. DNG and XMP file is protected by a password. Password is posted on the video. It will appear on the upper right corner. So let's start editing. First go to light. For this photo, exposure apply to 0.10. Contrast down to -30. Highlights to +10. +52 for shadows. Whites -100. And black down to -76. Go to curve. Follow these steps. And done. Now go to color. +10 for temperature. Down to -16 for tint. +50 for vibrance. And saturation to -16. Next go to color mix. First go to red color. Saturation to -30. And luminance +10. Next go to orange. Hue down to -18. Saturation to +16. Luminance +22. Go to yellow, -100 for hue. Saturation to -68. And luminance to +24. Go to green, -100 for hues. Saturation to -100. and luminance to +100. Next go to aqua hue to +100. -100 for saturation. And luminance to +70. Go to blue hue to +20. Saturation to -60. And luminance to +100. Go to purple. -4 for hue. And luminance to +100. And done. Next go to profiles. Select Vintage 04. Next go to Effect. Clarity Apply to 25. Dehaze to -6. Vignette down to -28. +16 for grain amount. Now go to split toning. Hue 22 and saturation 5 for highlights. And hue 23 and saturation 24 for shadows. Now go to details, apply to 26 for sharpening. Noise reduction applied to 16. Detail 100. Color noise reduction applied to 24. And smoothness to 70. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.